Tinubu is number one person. He has power under constitution to discontinue any charge, says Okpara. Welcome to Biafra News Update. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. The news in detail. In a recent television interview, Maxwell Okpara, a member of the legal team representing detained IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu, presented a constitutional argument for his client's release, directly appealing to the executive powers of the President Bola Tinubu. The lawyer asserted that the president, as the nation's foremost authority, possesses the clear legal capacity to instruct the Attorney General to terminate the ongoing prosecution against Kanu. Okpara elaborated that the Nigeria Constitution endows the president with a suite of powers relevant to such politically sensitive matters, including the authority to direct the discontinuation of any criminal charge, to grant presidential pardons, and to initiate resolutions for complex national issues. He pointed out that the current administration has already exercised these very powers in other instances, establishing a precedent that, in his view, should be applied consistently and fairly to Kanu's case to avoid perceptions of partiality. A central pillar of his argument rests on a specific court judgment that was delivered in favor of Nnamdi Kanu against the federal government. Okpara questions the government's continued refusal to adhere to this ruling, framing the non-compliance as a form of selective justice. This approach, he suggested, not only undermines the rule of law, but also fuels public sentiment that the government is acting with ethnic biases, thereby deepening societal divisions. Further strengthening his position, the council referenced the findings of a Kenyan court, which has previously criticized the extraordinary redemption process used to bring Kanu to Nigeria. This international legal perspective, according to Okpara, adds weight to the call for the Nigerian government to act responsibly and rectify a process widely condemned as unjust. The underlying appeal from Kanu's lawyer is for the president to wield his constitutional prerogatives in a manner that promotes national unity and healing. He urged the federal government to abandon what he characterized as a discriminatory approach and to instead resolve the matter through lawful and equitable means by choosing a path that respects judicial authority and demonstrates compassionate leadership. Okpara contended the administration has an opportunity to close a continuous chapter and foster a greater sense of inclusion and justice for all segments of the Nigerian populace. Thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. See you on the next one.